Top for home remedies using ginger for weight loss. Ginger is a tropical plant native to Asia, often used in cooking and traditional medicine. It has been used for centuries to aid digestion, relieve nausea, and even treat colds. In recent years, ginger has become a popular supplement for weight loss. But does it really work? This video will discuss for home remedies using ginger that can help with weight loss. We will also explain how each remedy works and what to do to maximize your results. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Before we begin, please take the time to subscribe. It really helps us grow and brings us one step closer to our goal of making health and wellness information available to everyone. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Ginger for weight loss. Ginger has several properties that make it effective for weight loss. First, it contains gingerol, a bioactive compound that gives ginger its pungent flavor and aroma. Gingerol has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation can lead to weight gain, so reducing it can help with weight loss. Second, ginger can help boost metabolism. Metabolism is the process by which the body converts food into energy. A faster metabolism means that the body burns calories more quickly. Ginger has thermogenic properties that can help increase body temperature and metabolic rate, leading to more calories being burned. Third, ginger can help reduce oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between the production of free radicals and the body's ability to protect itself against them. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to disease and aging. Ginger's antioxidant properties can help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. By reducing oxidative stress, ginger can help improve overall health and well-being and support a healthy weight. Fourth, ginger can help reduce cholesterol levels. High levels of low-density lipoprotein (LDL) or bad cholesterol are associated with an increased risk of heart disease and other health problems. Ginger has been shown to reduce LDL levels, which can help improve overall health and support weight loss goals. Fifth, ginger can help control blood sugar levels. High blood sugar levels can lead to cravings and hunger, making it more difficult to lose weight. Ginger has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, which can help reduce cravings and support weight loss efforts. Top for home remedies using ginger for weight loss. Now that we know how ginger can help with weight loss, let's look at for home remedies using ginger that you can try. 1. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is a delicious and refreshing way to incorporate ginger into your diet. To make ginger tea, you will need 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of fresh grated ginger or 1 teaspoon of dried ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of honey. Optional. Method: boil the water in a small saucepan over medium heat. Add the ginger and continue boiling for 10 minutes. Strain the mixture and add honey and lemon juice to taste. You can enjoy it hot or cold. To lose weight, drink ginger tea twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. The antioxidants in ginger can help fight free radicals that cause inflammation, which leads to fat accumulation. Lemon juice can help boost your metabolism and increase fat burning. Honey can help reduce hunger and cravings, helping you stick to your weight loss plan. 2. Ginger juice. Another great way to consume ginger is by drinking ginger juice. It is a bit more intense than ginger tea, so start with a smaller amount if you are not used to it. To make ginger juice, you will need 1 cup of carrot juice, 1 cup of celery juice, 1/2 cup of ginger juice, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Method: mix all ingredients in a blender and drink immediately. Carrots are high in fiber and can help you feel full for longer. Celery is low in calories and fat and high in fiber, which can help with weight loss. Apple cider vinegar can help boost your metabolism and aid digestion. To lose weight, you can drink 1 glass of ginger juice daily in the morning on an empty stomach. You can also try mixing it with other vegetables and fruits for added flavor and nutrition. 3. Ginger powder. If you don't like the taste of ginger tea or juice, you can try adding ginger powder to your meals. Ginger powder is made from dried ginger root and has a similar flavor and aroma as fresh ginger. To use ginger powder, you can add 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of ginger powder to 1 cup of water and drink it before or after a meal. Ginger powder can help improve digestion and reduce bloating, which can lead to weight loss. It can also help reduce nausea and vomiting, which can be common side effects of weight loss medications or treatments. Ginger powder can be used in various recipes, such as stir-fries, soups, and marinades. Adding ginger powder to your stir-fries and soups can help boost their flavor and nutritional value. And using it in marinades can help tenderize meats and seafood. You can also sprinkle ginger powder over roasted vegetables or salads for added flavor and health benefits. When using ginger powder, it is important to start with a small amount and gradually increase it to your desired taste and tolerance. Number 4. Ginger supplements. In addition to incorporating ginger into your diet through tea, juice, powder, or other means, you may also consider taking ginger supplements. Ginger supplements are available in various forms, including capsules, tablets, and extracts. They are a convenient way to ensure you get a consistent dose of ginger. However, it is important to follow the recommended dosage on the product label or as directed by a healthcare professional. Taking large amounts of ginger supplements can cause side effects such as nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Ginger supplements can interact with certain medications, including blood thinners and diabetes medications. It is important to talk to your healthcare professional before taking any new supplements, especially if you are taking medications. Some popular ginger supplements include Now Foods Ginger Root, 1000 milligrams, 120 count. This product is a standardized extract of ginger root and contains 1000 milligrams of ginger per serving. It is non-GMO and free of gluten, wheat, and yeast. Another option is the Gaia Herbs L-theanine with ginger root, 90 veggie caps. This product combines the relaxing effects of L-theanine with the soothing properties of ginger root. It is made with organic ingredients and is free of gluten, wheat, and dairy. Tips for maximizing results. To maximize your weight loss results, it is important to combine these home remedies with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Here are some tips for getting the most out of ginger for weight loss. Drink ginger tea or juice on an empty stomach. This can help stimulate digestion and speed up your metabolism. Add ginger to your meals. As mentioned earlier, ginger can help improve digestion and reduce bloating, which can lead to weight loss. Get regular exercise. Exercise can help you burn calories and reduce fat. Ginger can help improve your endurance and reduce muscle soreness, helping you stay active and achieve your fitness goals. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help boost your metabolism and aid digestion. It can also help reduce cravings and hunger, making it easier to stick to your weight loss plan. Get enough sleep. Sleep deprivation can lead to hormonal imbalances that can make it more difficult to lose weight. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to help regulate your hormones and support your weight loss goals. Manage stress. Stress can trigger emotional eating and make it more difficult to lose weight. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. These tips can help you get the most out of ginger for weight loss. Remember that while ginger can be an effective tool for achieving your weight loss goals, it is not a magic bullet. It is essential to combine these remedies with a healthy diet, regular exercise, and other lifestyle changes to see the best results. Conclusion. Ginger is a versatile and powerful natural remedy that can be used in various ways to support weight loss. From ginger tea to juice, powder, and supplements, there are many options to incorporate ginger into your routine. Each remedy has unique benefits and can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Additionally, following tips for maximizing results can help you get the most out of ginger. Remember that while ginger can be an effective tool for weight loss, it should be combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise for optimal results. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe and share it with others. And if you have tried any of these home remedies using ginger for weight loss, please leave a comment below and tell us about your experience. We would love to hear from you. Until next time, stay healthy and motivated on your weight loss journey.